When it comes to replacing worn-out shock absorbers, professional installers know that durability is key to avoid unwanted comebacks to the shop. At Monroe, we understand this. In fact, more than 40% of installers worldwide look for durability when choosing shock absorbers and struts for their clients' vehicles. That's why each Monroe shock absorber and strut is engineered and manufactured to contain 3 unique features that reduce leakages to make shocks last longer. Our premium super finishing anti-corrosion rod coating, world-class oil seals, and exceptional smooth rods resist leakages and damage, making shocks last longer. And we stand behind our products with an industry-leading 5-year warranty on all qualifying Monroe products. Don't just take our word for it. Professional installers from around the world trust Monroe. Choose Monroe today. Choose quality that endures for your shock and strut replacements.